Alright, enough waiting around. Grab some scissors. Drop some scissors. I'm way too excited for this. As you can tell in my tone, this is going to be hard doing this with one hand. The Border Patrol already opened my package for me. So there's only a couple pieces left. Lift her up. Out cutting myself. Ooh, this is getting way too real way too quickly. So this is how it comes. Like so. Now I got the upgraded Hope cranks. They're probably not in here. They already put them on for me. Because my boys at Tardy Bikes, you know, helped me stay. Good girl. Bubble wrap. Oh yeah. This is aftermarket right here. Oh my goodness. Alright. Yeah, this is definitely thanks to Border Patrol for taking all that off for me. Oh boy. This is getting somewhat complicated. Okay. Don't really know what's in here. We will save this for later. Let's see what else. Let me turn this light on here. Not that this really helps, but it makes me feel better. Okay. What is this? These. Oh. I'm like shaking. This is terrible. In a great way. Stay. I don't like know what to take out. Ah, yes. Sweet. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a nice rear tire over here. How heavy is this? It's not too bad. I was worried how heavy these rims were going to be. Interesting. That better not fall, or I will cry. Oh boy. Front. Okay. You can see how much thinner these rims are compared to my rims now. These things are like monsters compared to this. Oof, more of my favorite cardboard. What be this? Ooh. Yeah, Tardy hooked me up with an extra disc because I asked them to. Since they're my favorite customer now after buying this bike. Better give me a rotor. That wasn't free though, I still paid for that, but we won't talk about it. Anyway. I sense there's a frame here. Okay. There she is. Set her down nice and easy. Oh, sweet. Nothing else in here, I don't think. Snip, snip. Snip, snip, just kidding. Good job, Tardy Bikes. Did what you said you were gonna do. Proud of you guys. I don't really want to take that off just yet.
This hit is Givenchy, $900 jeans, homie. All these girls be raunchy, like let me see your peen, homie. She trying to cause a scene, but I'm in Paris with my team, walking slow like I'm on lean. Damn, my nigga jewelry looks so clean.